He's finally down. Can we talk? It's kind of funny how you got singled out in that class for not knowing the words, right? I mean, Jack McCall not knowing the words. That's a rarity. It was really sweet, Jack. It makes me very happy to see the two of you in that circle. I think it's really important that you guys have at least one thing that you do together, you know? So, they offer it twice a week. Which day would you prefer? Tuesday or Wednesday?
Can't.
You can't. You can't take 1 hour out of your week to be with your son? I don't understand. With the pool, the view. Wow. I am trying to talk to you about our child, and you want to fight about the house again? Look, honey, could you just try for a second to talk to me about Tyler? Just be here with me right now. What? Apparently not. Okay, that's good to know.
Sorry.
Sorry. I'll let your son know that you're sorry.
My life.
It's our life, Jack. Look, I know that when we fell in love, it was a whirlwind romance, and then it seems like I brought up the idea of having a baby, and like overnight, we were pregnant. But that's just how life works sometimes. Have you ever heard the expression, man plans, God laughs?
2 days.
2 days till what? Jack, what? To what? Honey, you gotta talk to me. What? You're like a mental patient with the pointing and the grunting. What? Oh, all of my talking is making you sick. That's great. You know what? I won't talk anymore. How about that? You don't want to talk? I don't want to talk either.